We have spoken about the beginning of the tour, which is probably the most important part. Now let's talk about the second most important part, which is how to end the tour. Again, I personally highly advise to know the end by heart and not to improvise. The last 30 to 40 seconds should definitely be something you've learned and memorized by heart. Because often I see people, I've seen on many tours, people who do kind of a, so this is the end, yeah. Hope you enjoyed, so yeah, that's the end, thank you. I think it can be done better. Let me share with you some thoughts. First of all, the end of the tour, to me, it doesn't mean goodbye and I will never see you again. For me, it's rather a see you later. Now, I come as an unknown person to this tour and typically leave as a friend to many of these people. So friends you want to see later. And that's why you should also end the tour with a see you later. So to give options on what, on one hand, they can do on their own, but also give some option on how to stay in touch. I personally hand out my business card, where there is also my number, and typically 2 to 3 people write me the same day and I meet them for a coffee. I also often receive business cards of the people, which is also great. So I have visited many of these people that I had on my tour. So it's very great to stay in touch with these people. Now, the end is also a great way to summarize everything that we've been doing on the tour. So I personally like to do a quiz and ask them questions on all the subjects we have spoken about on the tour. Now, it's also important to understand that some people need to leave and need to hurry just after the tour, and some want to stay and to ask some more questions. So here it's also great to make clear that people could stay and ask you as many questions as they want, so that those who need to run can run and those who want to stay can typically stay. On the next video, we'll also speak about communication and about the important skills you need to learn in order to make people understand and have a great communication with them. My end, for example, could look like as follows. After the quiz, I hand out the card and I could say, now that you have learned a lot about the history of Zurich, that you know what it takes to become a great politician, that you know why Napoleon hasn't only brought us war, and that you have tasted, of course, the sweetest thing that we have, that we've also spoken about the secrets we usually don't speak about. I definitely hope that you have enjoyed the tour with me. And I'm very confident that with all this knowledge, you're going to have a great time in Zurich. And that's what I wish you. Thanks.